Hello everyone. In this short tutorial I will be showing you how to add an image into your game in Unreal Engine. I have prepared two pictures for this demonstration, one normal picture and another that is a PNG, which is the type with a transparent background. So first of all, drag and drop your pictures into the project. The catch here is that you can't just drag them into your scene in order to use them. So go ahead and right click on the picture and choose Create Material. This will turn the picture into a more usable form. What we need now is a decal, which is used to render a material object so we can use it inside the game. As you can notice, there are the usual three arrows pointing towards the different axes, but we also have a new purple arrow which points towards the side the material you're using will be rendered on. As you can see from here, this is the default material, and you can see it stretching on the wall to the side. I'll place it on this wall and duplicate it since we have two images for this demonstration. Double click on the material to open it. Click the brown node and go to the left menu. From here we need to change the material domain to deferred decal. As you can see, it will prompt an error telling you that you need to also change the blend mode and set it to translucent. So let's go ahead and do that. Click apply and head back to the game. Choose your decal and drag and drop the material into the decal material section. It will be highlighted in green for you. But we have an issue here. As you can see, the background is black and not transparent. So head back to the material, drag the alpha bin and link it to opacity. Now as you can see on the left, the material became transparent. So click apply and this is it for this picture, the PNG types. Now let's do the same for the other picture. Again, change the material domain and blend mode. This time there is no need to link to opacity because the image we're using is not transparent. If you notice there is a slight issue with the colors, they seem a little bit faded out. What you need to do is change the debuffer in the settings. So head back to the material and go to Decal Blend mode. Set it to debuffer, translucent color, normal roughness. You can see the difference now. The colors are more solid. Here's a side-by-side comparison before and after applying the debuffer. And this is it for this video. Thanks for watching.